Hi everyone, my name is Bridget Weinman. The first asset I think I could bring to this class is that of case management. I was a social worker for a little over 2 years for a skilled nursing and rehab facility where I case managed about 75 plus residents. I would do a lot of admissions and discharges as well as make sure the residents' rights were being protected and that they were receiving the services that they deserved. Another asset is that I have experiences with counseling. Many of times I would be with residents during the last hours of their lives, so I would counsel the residents as well as their families during this difficult and sensitive time. I would also help the family with difficult discussions about hospice, palliative care, and DNR, DNI code statuses. Lastly, my third asset I could bring to this class is that where I currently work as a client services manager for Beata Pediatrics Home Health Care. I work with the local hospitals and communities to bring awareness to the importance of home care. My company also works with local government officials to explain why insurance reimbursement rates are so important to home health care and to explain that if insurance reimbursement rates were higher, then we can pay nurses more to work with the medically fragile children in their homes. And right now there is a nursing shortage, so this is a hot topic for my company. So with my experience of case management, counseling, and advocating, I hope to bring a lot to this class, and I'm also looking forward to learning about everyone else's assets and talents. Thanks.